So here's what you've believed that I've never received that before. Although you've seen that typical type before, do ya? Yeah. So in today's video, let's introduce with the brand new Sharpie effect groups of markers. And this is the one. This one is Sharpie 12 portrait markers, and these colors come together in color skin tone combinations. So you see these 12 colors there as usage on contact. Yeah, so before I have to dump all of these, I must keep all of the colors sorted in order from left to right by labeling each color from there, so I won't ever forget. So before we're gonna unbox this package, I have an iPad with me to see the given names of every labeled color marker one by one, so from left to right. And when I am unpacking this, I do make sure I open it slowly until one marker comes out of the box. Yep. So we're just going to get one marker carefully. Okay. Right. This should be good enough. And the first color there on top of the list is Americano. So here it is. This labeled outline marker shall help me label the markers carefully. Okay, so Americano, I should start with a capital. And the next marker is marzipan. The third color is classic brown. The fourth color is butterscotch. Look how pretty this color looks out to me. Yeah, I wonder how it shall look like as it appears on a sheet of paper, but we will do that later. Number 5 is salted caramel. I think I accidentally made a typo, but it's quite good enough. Next color we have is dark chocolate. Actually, this is number 7. We have creme brulee, or no, actually it's cinnamon latte. Look how cute my handwriting looks like. Number 8 is creme brulee. Number 9 is toasted ginger, which seems like ginger base color to me. That's number 9. Peanut brittle is number 10. We're almost there. We have Black Forest Gâteau, which is number 11. So gâteau means cake in French. And finally, we have dulce de leche. So I guess we're done labeling each color one by one. So let's rename all the names of every color. Americano, marzipan, classic brown, butterscotch, salted caramel, dark chocolate, cinnamon latte, creme brulee, toasted ginger, peanut brittle, black forest gâteau, and dulce de leche. These are fantastic and pretty looking colors to me. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments and choose which is your favorite portrait color. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and I'll see you again next time.